Even though the land is still frozen, for some, this is the breeding season. Hooper swans have arrived. They may have spent the winter in central or eastern Russia, thousands of miles away. These swans mate for life and return to the same place each year to breed. This noisy display lays claim to their patch and serves as a warning for others to stay away. Good territory is hard to come by. Another pair have moved in. The head-down display is a warning and a challenge to a duel. Hoopers are among the largest of all swans. Their vicious battles could easily result in a broken neck or wing. For once, the female doesn't just stand by. She joins in the fight. The intruders are driven away, and the territory holders continue proclaiming their rights. The deep snows of winter work to the advantage of forest voles. Tunneling allows them to move around out of sight of predators. But even invisible prey don't stand a chance against the advanced hunting skills of the great grey owl. It has developed the perfect weapon. The discs on the front of its face work like a sonar detector, amplifying the faintest of sounds. It can hear a vole moving under 1/2 meter of snow. Turning its head to focus on the sound, it pinpoints its unseen quarry with amazing accuracy. Owls' wings are completely silent. The prey never hears the approaching doom. As spring advances, there is one sound all the forest dwellers can hear. Male capercaillie. It's their mating time. Weighing up to 7 kilos, these males are almost as big as turkeys. Their characteristic calls resound through the forest. To other males, it's a call to arms. As the males square up, they have an audience. Smaller and drabber than the performers, female capercaillie are shopping for a mate. When it's over, females crouch and wait to be mated. The loser is lucky to escape unharmed, while the winner claims his prize.